The Honda Motorhome 2026 stands out as a luxurious and innovative full-size RV designed for comfort, performance, and advanced touring experience. With its sleek exterior lines and bold front fascia, it carries a commanding road presence that blends elegance with modern functionality. The aerodynamic design reduces drag while improving fuel efficiency, which is impressive for a motorhome of this size. Every inch of its exterior demonstrates precision craftsmanship and Honda's engineering excellence. Inside, the cabin welcomes passengers with a spacious and home-like atmosphere. High-quality materials, ambient lighting, and ergonomic seating transform the living space into a mobile suite. The large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the interior, creating an open and airy feel that enhances long-distance travel comfort. The use of soundproof materials keeps the cabin quiet, allowing for a peaceful ride even on rough roads. The living area features a convertible lounge setup, allowing owners to switch between a comfortable seating zone and a dining area effortlessly. Plush sofas, foldable tables, and smart storage spaces make the area both functional and stylish. Honda's design team focused on maximizing space efficiency, so travelers never feel confined during extended road trips. The interior layout ensures freedom of movement while maintaining elegance. The kitchen area in the Honda Motorhome 2026 brings a touch of modern home cooking to the open road. Equipped with an induction stove, smart refrigerator, microwave oven, and automated sink system, it allows full meal preparation without compromise. The countertop space and cabinetry design offer both beauty and practicality, catering to long journeys or full-time motorhome living. Moving to the bedroom section, the Honda Motorhome delivers unmatched comfort. The queen-sized bed with a memory foam mattress and adjustable lighting creates a relaxing environment for deep rest. Soft upholstery and temperature control options enhance the sleeping experience, while overhead cabinets and under-bed drawers provide ample storage. Privacy screens and blackout curtains ensure peace and quiet whenever needed. The bathroom design is compact yet elegant. It includes a standing shower with a glass enclosure, a flushing toilet, and a modern sink with chrome fittings. The water heating system ensures consistent warm water supply, making it suitable for all climates. The efficient ventilation keeps the air fresh and humidity low, maintaining a pleasant atmosphere even in smaller enclosed areas. Performance-wise, the Honda Motorhome 2026 is powered by a refined hybrid engine system that balances power with fuel economy. The combination of electric and combustion technology delivers smooth acceleration and reduced emissions. The advanced suspension and steering systems provide stable handling and precise control, even on winding mountain roads. Honda has equipped the motorhome with a range of smart technologies. A digital infotainment panel integrates navigation, camera monitoring, and climate control. Voice commands and a touchscreen interface simplify access to essential features. The onboard Wi-Fi and entertainment system keep passengers connected and entertained during every trip. Safety remains a top priority in this model. The motorhome includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane assist, collision warning, and multiple airbags. Reinforced body construction adds protection, while the stability control system ensures grip and balance across different terrains. Honda's driver assist suite makes long drives safer and less stressful. Storage options in the Honda Motorhome 2026 are thoughtfully designed to accommodate every travel need. External compartments are spacious and easily accessible, allowing room for luggage, camping gear, and additional equipment. The inclusion of solar panels on the roof provides renewable energy to power interior systems, reducing dependency on external power sources. In terms of driving experience, this motorhome delivers impressive smoothness. The cabin remains stable even at higher speeds, and the panoramic windshield gives drivers an excellent view of the road. The automated transmission system makes driving effortless, while advanced braking ensures safety in all conditions. Comfort extends beyond physical features. Honda has built the 2026 motorhome with noise-canceling technology, vibration control, and climate consistency for a relaxing atmosphere. Long journeys feel more like luxury travel than traditional RV trips. Passengers can enjoy both comfort and convenience on every mile of the journey. Design-wise, Honda's attention to detail shows in the exterior graphics, LED lighting setup, and alloy wheels that enhance aesthetics and aerodynamics. The elegant combination of red and gray lines adds sportiness to the otherwise classic white body. It's a blend of sophistication and modern adventure styling that makes it stand out among its competitors. Overall, the Honda Motorhome 2026 redefines travel luxury with innovation, comfort, and efficiency. It's designed for travelers who desire home-like amenities on the road without compromising style or performance. With its modern technology, elegant interior, and eco-friendly engineering, it proves that Honda can merge adventure and sophistication in one perfect rolling home.